Did you know that you can get back the Google Apps Launcher to your Windows 10 desktop?
Hi, Vadio here. You know, there is never enough of the effectivity during our work, so I thought that I will share with you how to get better access to your Google Apps, and I mean directly from your desktop. So let's check it out how to do it. Okay, so first of all, we will need to have all the apps we need for the Google Apps Launcher ready. So you will need the Google Chrome browser installed. You can download it from this page if you don't have it already. The second thing is the Rocket Dock. You can download it from the punkslab.com page. I will do it as well. The third thing is the Google Chrome icon, which you can download from the icon archive. And usually I downloading this 512 by 512 pixels icon. And the last thing what you will need to have is the stack docklet from the Mega Cloud Storage. And all the links you can find below in the description for the files. Okay, so now we have already Rocket Dock downloaded. So we will install it. So click yes. Okay, next. Accept agreement, next, create desktop icon, next, install. Okay, now we will click finish and we will go back here. What we're gonna do now, I will launch by double click the Rocket Dock. And now what we need to do, we need to get ready everything, to make it customized as we like. So I'm gonna head to my PC, which is working right now already, and I will go to the program files and I will find the Rocket Dock. Click R, Rocket Dock right here. The first thing what I will need to do, if you downloaded it already from the Mega folder, the stack docklet, you need to unzip it and have this folder out with these files, and you will just take it and copy it to the docklets. Continue. Alright, so it's fine. The second thing what you will need to do is download all the icons you need. So basically, if you want an icon for this PC, for network, or any other folders from your PC, but most importantly, you need to have the icon for the Google Apps. I would recommend you to take all of these icons and move it to the icons right here. Paste it, continue. For all. Alright, so this is what we have right now. And the third thing I would recommend to you to get ready with this shortcuts what we will use for the accessing Google Chrome web apps. You can do one thing. You can make in your documents a special folder. I have, for example, tools folder, and you can make there another folder, and you can call it as for example Chrome shortcuts. Okay, so now we will need to make these shortcuts. You need to have already installed the Google Chrome browser, so just open it. Okay, it's again up to you which shortcuts you will use for the Google launching, but usually I'm using the Google Keep. So you need to go to this page. Again, I'm gonna leave you in the descriptions on all the links for the Google web apps or websites. So when you open, for example, the Google Keep, you need to go to these three dots. You need to click on More Tools or open it and click on the Create Shortcut. Here you can make the name of the shortcut, and here you need to mark it open as a window. So now we're gonna create the shortcut So the same I'm gonna do with the Google Maps. Again, 3 dots, more tools, create shortcut, leave it marked, create, and as the first time is a YouTube, more tools, create shortcut, leave it marked, and create. And basically, this doesn't have to be only for the Google Apps. So if you have any other online websites you like to access directly, you can use it as well. So you will just continue with the same process on other sites. And what happened next? I will just minimize the window, minimize it here, and here I have on my desktop the shortcuts. Okay, so now I will mark it and right click, cut, and I will copy it to the folder we created before, which is in the tools, Chrome shortcuts. I will open it and paste. Okay, so here we have our Google Chrome shortcuts or Google shortcuts. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna customize this docklet here. So you will right click on it, go to the dock settings, and let's take it from the general. You will need to mark run at startup. For the next edits or for porting this dock to the next PC, it's good to mark it as well, the portable ini source, because what happened when you go to the program files, you will get the special portable ini file, which is with all the customization details inside. So you can basically copy this ini file to other PC, and when you will have all the folders, all the icons and all that stuff in the same position as in this PC, it should work. Okay, that's it for this. So let's go to the icons. We can leave the opacity, we can leave the size, we can leave the bubble, and just the zoom. Maybe I will make it less, maybe just like 15 pixels. Yeah, so it's not a drastic zoom. And zoom duration, yeah, we can leave all that stuff behind how it is. Centering. Okay, the screen position is the first thing. I prefer to have it on the bottom. And here you need to switch the layering to the normal. So click on the normal, and as you can see, it's actually covering the taskbar. So we need to move it slightly up by this edge offset. So that's it. Now let's go to the style. I don't like this kind of old school design, so usually I'm using it to the opacity. I just drag it here and it's transparent. Okay, and the behavior, we can leave it like that, and let's click OK. Okay, so the next thing is customizing all of these icons, what we can see here. So I don't like this punk software, so you just click on it and move it up, and it's gonna disappear. Dock settings, you can keep it if you like, but I don't need it, because usually when you right click on it, you have dock settings right here. Okay, all control panel items, what is it? Okay, yeah, it's for the Windows, so you can leave it as well. Alright, so let's start with this PC. So right click on it, icon settings, and because we moved our icons before in the program files to the folder icons, we have all of them here. So we'll just click on the PC. Network, I don't need it as well. Documents, icon settings.
I have documents here, okay. Music. Alright, pictures, icon settings. Right here. Control panel, icon settings. Right here. Time, if you like, you can have it. If you don't like, you can move it out.
And the bin, rocket dock, and icon settings. And with the bin, there are two situations: when the bin is empty and when the bin is full. So you need to first select the empty. You need to click on this icon. Once again, icon settings. in full. It's right here. Okay, so that's it. And now the best part of it, we need to add the Google Apps Launcher to the dock. Right click on the icon of the dock, add item, and click on the stack docklet. So now you have here the new icon, but you need to still set it up. Right click, icon settings, and you can leave it file system folder. And now we need to browse the folder as we actually created before. So I created in the documents, tools, and Chrome shortcuts. Again, yeah, as I said, you can create this folder anywhere you like, but you need to have this folder always on the same position. Okay, and now we will select the icon. The icon is right here, and click OK. Sort by name, it's up to you. Okay, and click OK. Can't save configuration to any file. Alright, that's for now. But anyway, now we have it done. So now when I click on it, the apps are right here like that. Again, you can change the look of the apps, how it appears. So when I click right click on it and click on icon settings, you can change this mode from the fun, which is right now, to the grid. I prefer grid because it looks better for me. So click OK, OK. Now when I will open it, it's in the grid, and you can add as many shortcuts, web shortcuts as you like. Alright, so I really hope you like this guide, how to set up the Chrome App Launcher on your desktop. And yeah, keep in touch and feel free to subscribe to my channel, because I will add more tips how to edit your windows, how to customize it, or how to sort out any problems, or how to actually make your time on the Windows computer more effective. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you with the next video.